Our topic for today is tips on creating better hair color with using foils. Let's get it going. If you've been following me here on this channel, you have seen purple hair, blue hair, green hair, orange hair. So I love hair color as a whole. But I did realize that when I went with more natural shades with like blondes and coppers and browns, there was a different client that came in. And there was a different feeling that I could create, not just with my kind of funkier colors or edgier colors or vivid colors, right? I used to label it wild and mild, right? So my milder clients, although that's not always something that's embraced by especially professional hairdressers or people that love color, here's a shot right here of a model that I've used on the Tribe membership with this pink pixie. This was one of the most popular tutorials. Gotta admit, this is one of the most popular ones because this is gorgeous, this vivid pink. But guys, those softer colors, those blondes, those chocolates, those coppers, guys, those pay the bills, right? As far as my professionals out there. And it's a lot more people out there that are considering hair color that were interested in just more softer, muted colors, right? So I wanted to be a master of them both. And when it came to highlighting, that's where you can create these looks. So guys, I want you to consider the families of hair colors, right? I want you to think of like the blondes, or the reds, or the chocolates, and consider even like the series of color. Think about something like just your naturals. You can go just in your natural series inside of your swatch book, and you can pick out level 6, skip 7, 8, skip 9, and go to 10. Those 3 shades are the exact same family of color. Like when you look at families that are out there, right? And you look at sisters that are out there, right? Or you look at brothers, you can look at them and tell that they are sisters, right? You can say, oh, they're related. They got the same parents. They got the same mom and dad. They're 2 different people, but they're related. Oh man, these 2 boys, they've got the same parents. They look different, but they also look like brothers and they are in the side of the same family. That's what's happening when we're in the natural series or the copper series or the gold series or the red series, right? Or the ash series. It's all with the same parents. They're just different shades. And here is where you can get amazing dimension. Here is some game, guys. When you have somebody that comes in, if you wanted a level 8 graham cracker type color in your hair, put also in some 6s, right? Maybe some 5s. And also place in a couple 10s in the exact same family, just a higher tone. We talk a lot about skin tone, right? Somebody has a lighter skin tone or a darker skin tone. This is the same instance where you can keep it in the same family. They just have different tones. And guys, when you put that in there, the eye sees these highs and lows and mid-range shades, and it creates an entirely different look. Listen, level 2 hair and you place in level 8 highlights is gorgeous all by itself. But when you also place in 8 and 6 and 10 in the same family, keeping 8 as the dominant foil highlight, it changes the game and it changes the price, right? So now there's more dimension, there's more shades, and you can offer more to the client as far as the look. You can place the lighter shades on one side, so on the weekend she can part, and now she can have all this lightness. Maybe put the darker shades on the left side. When she's at work, she can soften things up and mute it. That was some extra game. Those kind of things, guys, are all over the Tribe memberships. Guys, consider that dimension can be had by sometimes just bringing some of the same shades, but they're all in the same family. If you're a professional out there, if you're a cosmetology student, if you're someone inside of a salon suite, if you're looking to really enhance your hair color game, your blowout game, your hair cutting game, and your business as a whole, check out the Tribe membership. It's our online academy for professional hairdressers and those that are entering the business that are in cosmetology school or in apprentice situations. It's designed to be all access, instant education that you can have at your fingertips. For years, we were going to education. Now the education can come to you on any digital device in any city, any state, or any country in the world. Anytime access, 3 in the afternoon or 3 a.m. at nighttime. You can learn, recreate, and make money.